Hello and welcome to Sigma Catalog Manager Application Introduction Part 3 Workflow Buttons and Options. Sigma Catalog Manager is the web-based command and control center for managing your Sigma Catalog environment. In this short video tutorial, we'll take a peek at the workflow buttons in the application, as well as other features for working with entities and progressing them through the product lifecycle. Once you go to the website, sign into your account, and choose a Sigma Catalog instance if prompted, the application workspace opens, as we see here. I'm going to search for a package called Evolution Max Broadband. I select the package, and it opens in the Canvas view. Over here on your right, in the gray context bar, you can see workflow buttons and other options for working with the lifecycle of this package. Use these options to manage the lifecycle of an entity by editing the entity to move it through different workflow states configured, as well as to perform other actions on the entity. Your application permissions determine which workflow actions are available to you, so you may see a different set of options than those I see here. For example, with this package, you can click Submit the entity for approval. You can choose to approve the package, or you can delete it if you're sure that it's no longer required. You can also click Show More Actions to use several other features for working with this entity. Specifically, you can go to the live version of the package or validate the structure. You can also copy the URL in case you want to send a link to the package to another Sigma Catalog Manager user. The Show More Actions menu also lets you make a copy of the entity, or you can move it to a different location in the catalog. Other actions include viewing associated price lists and revision history, or performing an impact analysis. From this menu, you could also download the entity details, which include the XML for this version, or you can subscribe to notifications about this package by choosing View Subscriptions. Lastly, you may want to add the package to a change set or a logical catalog. So you can do that from this menu. If you do actually want to edit the entity data, you need to change from Browse or Read-Only mode, which is what you see here, using the Browse Edit slider in the top right, like this. Once the entity is in edit mode, you can work with the data through the different views. And then when you're finished, return the entity to browse mode. And that's it. A quick little video on the workflow buttons and other options for working with entities in Sigma Catalog Manager. In subsequent videos, we'll go into more detail about product lifecycle management using Sigma Catalog Manager. Thank you for watching and speak to you soon.